Good morning, Kuwait. I'm Dr. Manal Sheta, dermatologist. Actually, I'm not alone today. I'm with one of the top dermatology doctors in Kuwait who has a clinic, and she's used to have a lot of workshops to share ideas and to have more than one opinion in one subject as a medical side of view beside the cosmetic view, so we can reach the maximum benefit to the patient. And we are welcoming today Dr. Haneen Al Raqum, consultant dermatology in Kuwait.
Thank you for coming here.
And thank you for letting us come today to make this workshop. And you are used, of course, to this kind of collaboration with other clinics and companies, just to share ideas and to take the medical opinions, just to reach the maximum benefit to the patient in the end.
Of course, we had the pleasure today to enjoy this workshop. Actually, it has some new ideas. We are used to using each substance separately, and now it's like an innovation of having mixed things together. So at the end, we can reach the best of all the results in one step.
Today we talked already about one of the skin boosters for the face, neck or hands. And we are talking about mixing two subjects together. We took as an example the Hydradine and the Polynova left. Okay, what do you think about this combination together, doctor?
It's been a while, for the past, let's say, few months or a year, that we're trying every substance separately. We have the experience of experimenting on the hyaluronic acid boosters and the nucleophile and polypeptides in general. Now, having them together in one session is like having the best in both worlds. I believe that it will give superior results to using each substance separately, but this yet has to be proven now.
Yeah, because everyone will be like a cofactor to the other
Exactly.
one.
Everyone have their own benefits and their own strengths. So if we combine them, maybe we can get the best of both.
Okay, and you promise us, Doctora, to show us before and after later on to continue with the patient, like check with the patients. If you have really good results, we are going to continue with you like more workshops.
Yes, today we did for many patients. It's the first session now, and we are waiting till the results when they are best or maximum, maybe after a couple or 3 sessions, where they will be optimum and we can see the end result.
Okay, Dr. Haneen, it was really our honor to be here with a scientific person like you.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure, actually.
Yeah, and thank you. And good morning, Kuwait, and hoping to have more segments with more stars in Kuwait. Thank you.